In 373, we've made a handful of improvements to the graph object to help you present information to model users. The first thing I'd like to show you is the ability to put a vertical line on a graph to demarcate a period of interest. So on this graph, we can see that the behavior is in equilibrium up until time 6. So what we can do is we could say, put a vertical line at time 6 with label change in demand. So this will now highlight for people the period where demand was static and where demand has changed. In addition, for a while now, you've been able to right-click on a graph, format time, using custom created time formats. But new in 373 is the ability to make a time format that applies when you scrub on the graph. So if we go to the Manage Time Labels dialog and create a new time format, we'll call it year, month, day, we can set one up. We can set it up so that it is offset 2024 years and is grouped by years, months, and days. We can then go ahead and right-click on the graph, format time rollover as year, month, day. So now when we press and hold on the graph, it shows us the day when we're scrubbing as opposed to just the year and the month. Even though we're not showing the day directly on the axis itself.